fusion of gametes, or we say double fertilization. Now what occurs here? Double fertilization. What happens in double fertilization? Firstly, we will tell that the pollen tube discharge two male gametes. What happens? Pollen tube discharge two male gametes in embryo cell. In two male gametes, here is one male gamete and the another is second male gamete. Now what happens here? One male gamete, this male gamete fused with egg cell and form zygote. And this male gamete fused with polar nuclei and form endosperm nucleus. Form triploid primary endosperm nucleus. Form PEN. Now we will discuss here what happens here. The fate of two nucleus is when we discuss. Now we are dealing what happens. Firstly, one male gamete fused with egg cell and it forms zygote. This male gamete is at this egg cell is also haploid and it forms diploid zygote. And this whole process is known as syngamy. Now what happened? Point. One male gamete, the another male gamete, this fused with polar nuclei, that is central cell. This male gamete is N, but this polar nuclei is 2N. This results in the formation of PEN, which is 3N, and this whole process is known as triple fusion. The full form of PEN is primary endosperm, and this is known as triple fusion. Now what is double fertilization? When two types of fertilization occur. In short, we say syngamy plus triple fusion is known as double fertilization, in which two types of fertilization occur. One result in the formation of zygote and the another result in the formation of endosperm, primary endosperm nucleus. And the fate of this primary endosperm nucleus is result in the formation of endosperm that provide nutrition. Okay, now we are dealing what is endosperm. What is endosperm? So when we talk about the endosperm helps in the development of embryo. The primary, what happens here? Primary endosperm nucleus, it divides repeatedly and form triploid endosperm tissue. Form triploid endosperm. The cells of this tissue are filled with a food reserve material. Cells are filled with food reserves and provide nutrition to the embryo. What happens here? Provide nutrition to embryo. This is a stage. Now, what happens? How zygote is formed? How many types of fertilizations occur? When we talk about the fertilization, we already thought about that. Now we are dealing different types of stages. Now we are dealing with the formation of seed. Now we are dealing with the topic seed. Seed, what happens? The fertilized ovule is developed into seed. Okay. Now seeds are also are of two types on the basis of endosperm. On the basis of endosperm, seeds are of two types. What is? That is non-endospermic or X-albuminous seed, and the other one is endospermic or albuminous seed. Other type of category is also found which is known as perispermic seeds. Now we are dealing with the non-endospermic or X-albuminous seed. What happens in that? The endosperm in non-endospermic seed, endosperm is completely consumed. During the development of embryo. Consumed during development of embryo. Example is dicot, like gram, pea, groundnut. Now we are dealing with the albuminous seed. What happens? In albuminous seed, endosperm not consumed during development of embryo. Examples are sunflower, castor, bean, and the another type of seed are perispermic seed. In perispermic seed, what happens? Sometimes some part of nucellus remain unused. Some part of nucellus remain unused is present in the form of thin layer around. Examples are black pepper. Here completes your sexual reproduction in plants.